How do I check if there are duplicates in a flat list? For example, given the list 1, 2, 1, the algorithm should return true, whereas given 1, 2, 3, it should return false.
Use set to remove duplicates if all values are hashable.
Recommended for short lists only. Do not use on a long list, it can take time proportional to the square of the number of items in the list. For longer lists with hashable items, strings, numbers, and c. If your items are not hashable, sublists, dicts, etc., it gets hairier, though it may still be possible to get on if they're at least comparable. But you need to know or test the characteristics of the items, hashable or not, comparable or not, to get the best performance you can. On for hashables, on log n for non-hashable comparables, otherwise it's down to on squared, and there's nothing one can do about it.
I thought it would be useful to compare the timings of the different solutions presented here. For this I used my own library simple_benchmark. So indeed for this case the solution from Denis Otkedok is fastest. Some of the approaches also exhibit a much steeper curve. These are the approaches that scale quadratic with the number of elements. Alex Martella's first solution, Andrea and both of Xavier Decorate's solutions. Also important to mention is that the Panda solution from Kiku has a very big constant factor. But for larger lists it almost catches up with the other solutions. And in case the duplicate is at the first position. This is useful to see which solutions are short-circuiting. Here several approaches don't short-circuit. Kaiku, Frank, Xavier_Decorate, first solution, Turn, Alex Martelli, first solution, and the approach presented by Denis Otkedok, which was fastest in the no duplicate case. I included a function from my own library here, iteration_utilities.all_distinct, which can compete with the fastest solution in the no duplicates case and performs in constant time for the duplicate at begin case, although not as fastest. The code for the benchmark. And for the arguments.
This is old, but the answers here led me to a slightly different solution. If you are up for abusing comprehensions, you can get short-circuiting this way.
Emotional.